Now in this video we are going to cover the 3D transformation. As in the previous video we saw like how the transformation took place along the x and the y axis. Here when I'll talk about 3D, that means the z axis will also be in the picture. So whatever the transformation will take place using the method like skew, translate, rotate, that will go across the x, y and z axis as well. So let's see a practical implementation of performing the 3D transformation in CSS3.
So likewise we use the rotate function in the 2D transformation. Here I am going to use the rotate x, rotate y or rotate z in the 3D. So depends in how many degree you want to rotate it. You will just pass the axis around which you want to do the rotation. Rest again I am using a div, which is nothing but a box, pink color box with the height 200 pixel, with the height 100 pixel and width 200 pixel. And again there is a special div in which I am performing the rotation. So this is the normal div with straight box, and this is the my div in which all the rotation will take place. So let's save it, come to the browser and refresh. So you can see this is rotated to 150 degree using the x axis. So the whole text is being rotated as well right after that. Alright, it is being rotated along with the box. Now it is rotated using x axis. You can do the same using the y axis also. So rotate y. So now you can see the whole rotation is take place now according to this axis. Initially it was using the x, now it is taking the y. Alright, so this is rotate y. It is still written x, but now as you know, like I am using rotate y, so let's make it rotate y axis. Alright, so this is y. Alright, similarly you can do the, because it is 3D, there is z axis also, there is z axis, so you can use rotate z as well. So now the rotation will take place as per the z. So let's save it, come to the browser, and here you can see the third dimension of it. Alright, so these are, as I said, like these are the things which I'm just using it in the transformation. If you will create a storyboard using the animation, you can see them, you can feel the animation and the transformation taking place. Alright, so in our next video we will learn about the animation, but this is all about the 3D transformation using CSS3.